Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in missing view, where two views are given and you have to draw a side view. So if you see from here, see there is a rectangle and there is a circle. So circle in one view, other two views will be same. With that concept, I can draw a rectangle. See, I will extend from here and I will extend from here. See this part, circle, so it will be rectangle. This way. Then we have one more circle. So we have a rectangle for that, so that I'll extend. And this circle I will extend. From here I will extend up. And then I will draw horizontal line from here. So again we got one more circle. So we got rectangle. Now I'll extend the inner circle, which is dotted. So what we are doing, we are projecting circle and rectangle. So we are getting the same thing. If you see front view and side view is ditto same. Always remember, circle in one view, other two views will be same. See this. Now this slope is a rectangle. So it will come rectangle in side view. This much will be dark and this is dotted. Why? Because it is behind, you can't see that portion. So we are done with slope. Then if you see another circle, a rectangle, so we'll have one more rectangle. See, like it will be like this. After that we have one more circle through and through. See this smaller one. We'll see the bottom one also. It's line rectangle. This part will complete. Now I'll extend this circle. So we'll draw this circle through and through. After that, this circle, rectangle, again we'll get rectangle. So whenever you're doing such kind of sum, make sure you do it one by one. Because now if you see, it will be a little bit difficult to identify which one is what. See this, what I'm doing, circle, rectangle, and in a circle, dotted rectangle. And this part will be dotted because you can't see from this side. This is axis. This is front view, top view, and left hand side view. Now they want us to draw sectional front view. If you see, there is a cutting plane in top view. I'll just show you. And they want us to draw sectional front view. So I'll draw cutting plane line AA. For sectional front view, what I will do, I'll cut from here. So this dotted will become dark. The circle will go away, inner circle. Sorry, outer circle, and these lines will go away. I've done it with pen, so it won't be possible for me to erase. So I'll be just putting it cross. All these lines won't be there. And this part will be hatched. This will be inclined at 45 degree. I'm doing it freehand right now. In exam, you do it with 45 degree set square. See, with this set square, you should do it. So we are done with sectional front view. Now we need to draw sectional top view. So for that, we are going to cut like this BB, sectional top view along BB. So in that, again the dotted will become dark because it is getting cut. This portion will go away because it is merging, and these two lines will go away. Then you do hatching at 45 degree like this. So I hope everyone understood this sum. Thank you.